Hi, welcome to Technic Force Learning. I'm going to show you a complete Pinterest guide for 2020. Let's get started. Pinterest is a popular social media platform that is commonly used in searching for the visual content of topics depending on the person's interest. It acts like a search engine of visual thumbnails for anything that you can think of. Just search for a keyword and you will find tons of results related to it. Pinterest is focused on uploading and repinning photos that people can share with anyone. Pins are more valuable to Pinterest users if it has valuable information and people can learn something out of it. So make sure that your pins are unique and it adds value to people of the same interest. It's easy to create a new account on Pinterest. Just go to pinterest.com. If you haven't created your account yet, click sign up and input your details in this section, or you can use your Facebook or Google accounts in signing up on Pinterest. You can even create your business account if you click this button. We'll discuss more about Pinterest business account later in this video. When you search for a topic, Pinterest will suggest more keywords that you can click, and it will add to your keyword search. It will filter your search to target results that come close to your goal. Pinterest is mostly used by women and shoppers. We all know for a fact that women love to shop. Once they start searching for something to buy, they won't stop until they search for that one product that would satisfy their urge to shop. When people are looking for something to buy using Pinterest, they can use the visual thumbnails as search results to look for a photo of what they want to buy. When they click on the photo, they will be directed to the website where they can purchase that product. Newsfeed. The pins you see on your feed are based on the previous keyword searches that you've made, boards and people you followed or products that you have purchased. Here's what people commonly search for on Pinterest: getting organized with lifestyle organization. When people choose this image, they'll get free access to these printables to help them organize their 2-week schedule. They also search for proper budgeting, like tips to save on groceries, and some how-to articles on organizing their home and lifestyle. As you can see, here are some example searches for lifestyle organization, sustainable lifestyle, organization videos, and budgeting finances. Next, people who want to have a productive day searches for these tips that they can use starting from the morning routine up to their routine on a weekend. As you can see in these examples, they usually search for productive day routine, morning routine videos, and weekend routine. These are for the busy people who want to make the most out of their time before and after work, and also during their free time. People are looking for ways that they can have positivity in their lives. They are searching for inspirational quotes to motivate them and encourage themselves to persevere when they don't feel like doing something. As you can see in these example searches, here are some example photos of inspirational quotes to live by. A healthy and positive mind gives them the motivation to pursue their dreams even though they do have problems to deal with. Here are some example searches for positive mindsets. People search for images with inspirational quotes, healthy mindset, and radiate positivity. When the holidays are fast approaching, people are more likely to search for setting their New Year's target goal. They would take time to find similar posts that would give them ideas to set their own goals, attainable in a short period of time, to a future goal such as travel plans, for taking time off their busy and stressful work, planning trips with their family, or as big as a future dream house plan. Some example searches for these goals are goal planning, dream house plans, big family goals, and travel dreams. Using the product pin. When you click the search bar, you can view your recent searches, suggested ideas for you, and the trending keyword searches on Pinterest. Let's click on one of these. If you search for keywords, you can add more keywords that Pinterest suggested in this section. You have the options All Pins, Your Pins, Product Pins, which can redirect you to the website to buy the product, videos that indicate the duration of each video, people you can follow, and boards. You can follow boards as you click this button. Boards are a collection of pins that come from the same user or from different Pinterest users. As you can see, this board has two sections inside. It's like a board within a board. If you click on each pin, you can see who owns it or the external link to that product pin. If you like a pin, you can check the profile and follow who owns that pin. If you scroll down, Pinterest shows you products related to this pin that you might be interested in buying if you like this pin. If you click this product pin, you can view a description of the pin, the user, and their website. When you click the link, you'll be directed to their site, add the item to the cart, and proceed to checkout. Going back to the product pin, you have the options to download the pin, report it if it violates any rules, or embed it on your website using this pin URL. When you click this icon, you have the option to send this pin and share it directly to other apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and Facebook Messenger, or you can copy the link, send it to your email, or send it to another Pinterest user. You can also save it as one of your pins and organize it in your boards. Create pins. Let's go to our profile and create pins. Click the plus icon and choose Create Pin. Upload an image here. Add a title, a description with hashtags, and a destination link. Then click Save. You need to save it in one of your boards. If you think that you need to categorize it on another board, click Create Board. Input the name and choose the visibility if you want to keep this board private or public. If you want it public, leave this unchecked. Then click the Create button. Now, you have created a new board to save this pin. Click Save again to save it to the board we just created. This will show you that the pin has been saved to this board. Click See It Now. This is what Pinterest users will see if they clicked on our pin. We can edit this pin and change the board, add a section, edit the title and description, and also the website. Then click Save. When viewers click our pin, they can also click this link, and they'll be directed to our website. In this example, we directed the pin to our post on our Facebook page. A viewer would be curious and check out our page, which can add to our followers. Going back to our profile, let's see how you can create a board on this page. Click the plus icon, then click Create Board. Add a title, then click the Create button. Pinterest will suggest some pins related to your title. You can save the pin you choose from browsing here. Choose More Pins, then click Done. When you click a pin, you'll see this URL link where you can find this product, name of the pin, description, and the Pinterest user who owns it and follow them. When you click on the pin or the link, it will direct you to an external website where you can learn more about that pin. You can even get the Pinterest browser button for your web browser. When you have this Pinterest Chrome extension, you will see a Save Pin button on every image that you place your mouse over. This will help you save any images that you will see on websites that you like to pin and save on your board. To get the extension, you need to use a Google Chrome browser for this to work. Search Pinterest Chrome extension on Google. Now you're on Chrome's extension page. Click this button, Add to Chrome, then add the extension. As you can see, we have added an extension icon on our browser. Let's try it on another website. As you place your mouse over an image, you can see the Pinterest button to save this image on your board. A pop-up window will let you choose or create a board to save this pin. Now it's saved on our shop board. Click See Now to view it on Pinterest. When you click this link, you'll be directed to this website where you can purchase this product. Going back to our profile, you can click Topics to discover more topics to follow related to your recent searches and pins. Settings. Let's go to Settings. Let's add a photo to our Pinterest account. Click Change and choose Photos. Select a photo from your drive. Next, add the About section of our profile. Here we can add our business tagline. Then click Done. Click Account Settings. Here you will find the email address that you have used for registering your Pinterest account, your country, language, and gender. Scroll down until you see the Account Changes section. If you want to use Pinterest to market your products or services, you need to convert your personal Pinterest account to a business account. As you can see here, it has the option Convert Account. Here it says Convert to a business account, which means that our created Pinterest account is a personal account. Click Convert Account to convert this to a business account. You'll see this page to continue using the same email address that you used for your personal Pinterest account, or log out and create a new account for business purposes. Let's continue. Now you have a different Pinterest dashboard, which is for a business Pinterest account. Using your Business Hub, you can view monthly viewers and followers in this section. You can also learn about tools and resources that are useful for your business, create pins that show off your products, get insights on your pins and audience, and also get tips and tools to grow your reach. Add Link lets you claim your website and connect it to your Pinterest account. Just type in your website here and then click Claim. You can also connect your other social media accounts like Instagram, Etsy, and YouTube in this section. Just click Claim and you'll be directed to the login page of that social media platform. When you scroll down, you can see the stats of your latest pins and promote them so that you can grow your audience. The impressions save and click links will have values once your pins reach more Pinterest users as time passes. Click Analytics. You can use Pinterest Analytics to review your demographics and target market depending on your niche. Go to Analytics, then Audience Insights. Choose All Pinterest Users. It can tell you the percentage of audience per category, age, and gender distribution, and the device used by this audience. If you click Compare, you can compare your total audience as Audience 1 and Pinterest's total audience as Audience 2. Your total audience includes all users who have seen or engaged with any of your pins in the last 30 days only. You can also compare them with the age, and this blue bar is your audience, while this purple bar is the Pinterest total audience. Then the gender distribution and the device used by the audience. If you click Create Campaign, you'll be able to create promoted pins to reach more people on Pinterest. For now, there are only selected countries where promoted ads on Pinterest is available for business accounts. If you are located on these countries on the list, you can create campaigns as Pinterest ads. Using the overview, you can view the impressions, total audience, engagements, and engaged audience. People on Pinterest are searching for content that could help them in improving part of their lives and searching for products to purchase. As marketers, you can easily target your market by knowing what your niche is. That's it for a complete Pinterest guide for 2020. I hope you learned something and thank you for watching. If you liked this video and it was helpful, don't forget to like us, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the notify bell to make sure you receive our fresh videos. If you have any questions, you may drop them in the comments text box and we will get you the answers. You may visit our website at technicforce.com. We create cutting-edge internet marketing tools to help make you a successful internet marketer, including video marketing tools, social media marketing, email marketing tools, SEO, e-commerce tools, and WordPress internet marketing plugins. Feel free to check us out.